Lishonile mbukeli kepha ke belingeke lishone ngaphandle kwetindzabadalo. Nathi ke nalamuhla sikuthulela Dona Bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te-SABC e-Auckland Park. Wemkelekile Ngwane.
I am of a view that the decision to disband the PKTT as a task team lay within the exclusive authority of a national commissioner.
Iyangeteka ke imibuto yendvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu nelisekela la Commissioner wemaphoyisa velonke lomisiwe Jenene Shadrack Sibiya. Njengoba esathi sithi Mchunu naSibiya bete emandla ekuhlakata litsimba iPKTT.
Njengobala kusilapha sisonke usibona sisesikole sophukile masilahlekele. Akekho umfana befana noLuyolo, akekho umuntu othatha indawo kaLuyolo.
Takamuti tasa Human Stop eMpumalanga Kapa timenge tinyawo kulandzela kubulawa kwemfundzi wamatriculation Liyolo Wakeni esikoleni se-Human Stop Senior Secondary School ngaLwesibili.
The rape sees a whole different picture than what we feel inside there, and obviously he can only judge from what he sees from the outside.
Umdlali wema Springboks Velko Low uthi ukuthokotele kwenda scrum njengoba bathola netulu nele Argentina ngemgcibelo eThekwini. La kuleli litholana nele Argentina emdlalweni wa round 5 we rugby championship. Iyangeteka imibuto yendvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu nelisekela la Commissioner wemaphoyisa velonke lomisiwe Jenene Shadrack Sibiya. Njengoba sathi sithi Mchunu naSibiya bete emandla ekuhlakata litsimba iPKTT. Jenene Patronela Margaretha van Rooyen lo inhloko etekubusa netemthetho emaphoyiseni wethule bufakazi ngemthetho lobubuke kusebenta kwemaphoyisa kuleli.
Le commissioner lephenya ngenisolo tebugebengu kungenelela kwetepolitiki ngohlakalo elihlelweni lemthetho ivebufakazi besati lesiveteke ukuthi indvuna yemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu beyide lilungelo ngokwemthetho kuhlakata lelithimba lemaphoyisa lebelibukene nemacala ekubulala kweyemenene tepolitiki.
I am of a view that the decision to disband the PKTT as a task team lay within the exclusive authority of a national commissioner, and that the minister did not have the legislative authority to disband the PKTT.
Van Rooyen unikete izathu lesithupha kusekela umbono wakhe lokufaka ekhathi umkhombandlela wetemthetho loveta ukuthi indvuna ete yakhipha umyalo ukuthi umgomo kufanele usebenze njani etinhlelweni tekusebenta.
That constitutes not only an usurping of powers of a national commissioner, but also undermines the constitutional objects of the SAPS as set out in section 205(3).
Van Rooyen uphinza waniketa ubufakazi bekuthi General Shadrack Sibiya bekete emandla ekuthatha inyathelo ukuqinisekisa umyalo wendvuna lokufaka ekhathi kususwa kwamadokhethe lalikhulu le-21 KwaZulu-Natal amikiswe enhloko-hhovisi. Lokho lokuyintfo leveta bungoti kulesento lesifana nalesi.
It means the investigations are stagnant. Nothing is happening. On that investigation, you would expect the police to proceed as fast as possible and make a breakthrough. But the longer the dockets remain unattended, the more difficult it becomes to investigate that cases properly.
Le commissioner iqhubeke nemsebenzi wayo ngalomnye ufakazi emva kwa Van Rooyen.
Takamuti tasa Human Stop eMpumalanga Kapa timenge tinyawo kulandzelwa kubulawa kwemfundzi wamatriculation Liyolo Wakeni esikoleni se-Human Stop Senior Secondary School ngaLwesibili. Takamuti tihlangene ngaphandle enkantolo yamanje Human Stop lapho basolwa labasithupha bavele kafishane kule nkantolo. Wakeni ushone ngemva kwekugwazwa ngesikhathi kuliwa kulesikolwa.
Takamuti tidumele timangele futsi tishacekile atikholwa lokwendekile. Betibhikisha ngaphandle enkantolo tivelana nemndeni lofelwe ngumfana wawo lobeka ngumfundzi. Kusolwa ukuthi bekulwa emacembu lamabili bafundzi la kugcine sekusele khona munye enkhundleni.
One of the learners got stabbed, and so the school did nothing. We were informed late.
Kweswelakala kwabonogada kube ngiletinye tetizathu letibekwe njengembangela yekuphathwa kwetilimato etikolweni.
We don't have security at our school. We don't have anyone. The only people that we have, I think, is that they are employed by the Department of Transport.
Bafundzi sebakhanza lendzawo ingakaphephi.
All of the person that our friend, we lost him, and he was someone that would always defend a friend, and that's how
we had to say goodbye to him defending one of his friends.
Njengoba silapha sisonke usibona sisesikole sophukile masilahlekile and akekho umfana befana noLuyolo akekho umuntu othatha indawo kaLuyolo.
Lelicala lalababili bafunzi labadzala libuya mhla titimbili kulenyanga letakwetfwa senkantolo kute ufaka sicelo sebail kanzi ke batawugcinwa esitokisini. Bafunzi laba sebancane basakhulumisana nabo sonhlala kahle.
Inkantolo yemthetho-sisekelo isabukisisa ukuthi ingabe umthetho wakuleli wetekuvumelana ngetelicasi awucekeli phasi yini emalungelo ekuhlonipheka, kulingana, inkululeko kanye nekuphepha kulabo labathintekako. Leli cala lita ngemva kwesijubo lesakhokhwa inkantolo lephakeme nga-2024 lapho umsolwa wakhulula ejele kulandzela kuveta ukuthi bebavumelene ngekwelicasi naloyo lothintekako nanobe amtshela ukuthi akayekele angasachubeki.
Deals with what was subjective.
Leseti tsebeniki mphica abadzala abamili bembe kwacala balosola ngakadlela lethi bakholwa ukuthi wavuma ummangali kanzi nekholwa kwabo akuphatheki lokulandzelwa ukutfula kwelicala lekukadlela labeka bekwelona umbe kwacala lapho athi khona yena amange eve ummangali athi cha inkantolo lephakeme ke yabe seyikhipha isinqumo lesithi lokushoba bamili bembe kwacala akuhambisana nemthetho-sisekelo futhi kucinzetela lohlukubedekile. Advocate Nazarene uthi kumele emajaji enkantolo yemthetho-sisekelo abukede ukuthi inhloso ibuka njani kabanti emacaleni ekuhlukubeda kwelicasi.
It is important for this court as part of understanding the context in which the act is interpreted to take into account these stereotypes and rape myths. And these are things, for example, like the notion that unless a woman screams or fights or tries to run away, that she must be consenting to the act. In South Africa, between 2022 and 2023, 42,780 cases of rape were reported. 42,780. Of these, there were only 591 convictions. This translates to a 1.38% successful prosecution rate. 1.38%. Something is clearly wrong. And we submit that there are many factors for what's wrong, but in large part that has to do with the difficulty of proving these crimes, the burden that is on the state.
Kuletinye ke uMasibiye Titolo. Sikhulumisana nasolwati kutema will nemthetho ngetemafa alaba sebandlulile emhlabeni. Asikwemukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili etindzabeni uma usanza kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Inkantolo lephakeme eMbombela ihlehlisele evikini lelitako licala lekwabiwa kwempensheni yalo wake bawalisekela lamengameli David Mabuza. Indvodakade yamabuza ifuna ukuthi inkampani egcine lempesheni yamabuza ingavunyelwa ukuthi ikhokhelwe umfelokade wamabuza noNhlanhla Mnisi imali elinganiselwa ku-44 million wemarandi. Lamuhla ke sibuka ludzaba lwekubaluleka lwekuba newill. Kukhuluma kabanti ngaloku sinesati setemthetho nemishado Zola Mbatha. Zola asikubingelele sikwemukele etindzabeni te-SABC.
Sawubona sisi ngijabula kuba la.
Mhlambe Zola ungaqala ngekusichazela ukuthi kahle kahle yini umsebenzi wewill nane ukuthi sisekhona isidingo sayo nangabe uyakhona kuphikisa enkantolo.
Iwill into ebaluleke kakhulu. Umunefa nje kufanele ukuthi ube newill. Iwill iyetshela abantu ukuthi umhla usuhambile emhlabeni kumele kwenzakaleni ngezinto zakho. Kakhulukazi ikhaya lakho la kuhlala khona izingane zakho. Baluleke ngalokho.
Okay, so kule sigameko samabuza noNhlanhla Mnisi lo ngumfati wamabuza nguye lobhalisiwe kule mpesheni. So kahle sikhona kahle ngifuna ukuthi lokubhalisa kwakhe ukuthi athole lempesheni yini lento ukuthi lo mangalelwa lekuyindvodakade yakhe iye enkantolo yophikisa lokubhalwe kule mpesheni.
Okubalekile abantu akufanele bakwazi ukuthi iwill ayihlangani nepension. Iwill iyenza ama estates ifa izindlu zakho, imoto zakho, imali zakho. I-pension ukuthi inikezwe umndeni wakho yenziwa ngo-Section 37C of the Pension Fund Act. Section 37C of the Pension Fund Act has uthi ama-trustees kunabantu abazohlala phansi mhla ushonile. Basho ukuthi njengoba une-pension ubani ubumnakekela ngesikhathi usaphila emhlabeni. Yilabo bantu abazoza namaform abizwa kuthiwa ama-dependency forms. Bazobe sebabhala lamaform bathi mina ubaba bekangikhokhela i-school fees, ubaba bekangipha imali yokudla, ubaba umnyeni wami bekangikhokhela igrosa. Izo zonke lezi zinto kufanele zibhalwe kule form ekuthiwa i-dependency form. Now u-Section 37C uthi labantu abahlala phansi bakhetha ukuthi ubani ozothola i-pension bangakwazi ukuyiziba le form le abantu abayaziyo ye-pension kuthiwa i-beneficiary nomination form. It's not the only form, akusiyona i-form eshoyo ukuthi i-pension yakuba iya-suggest iyasho nje ukuthi mase senisho ukuthi ubani ozothola i-pension bukani le form khona nizokwazi ukuthola indlela ezonikhombisa kahle. Kodwa khona ehlukaniseni i-pension into ebalekile it's called dependency. Umuntu lo bekaphila ngokuthi athola imali kulomuntu oshonile uyena kumele athole imali ye-pension. Yikho umntana kababa former President Didi Mabuza athe maninganiki i-pension yonke kunkosikazi because ngikhona mina bekangikhokhela isikole ngisaya esikoleni.
Okay, so sesiyabona ke ayile nkantolo angakanani emathuba akhe kuthaphumelele.
Njengoba beyisusile beyise kuleli viki elizayo ingoba inkantolo isafuna thola kahle wonke ama-facts. So nathi kuzomela ukuthi silinde sizwe kahle ama-facts before sizokwazi ukusho ukuthi kungenzeka yini. Kodwa khona ngokuthi umubheka ngokubuso bendaba uyingane usasesikoleni bekathola imali kubaba wakhe fanele ukuthi abe dependent yale pension.
Zola uzama ukuthi vele bekufanele usayolimangalela le
bekufanele bengeke lecala leli liqedwe ngaphandle kwenkantolo ngoba li complicate ngoba lihlangahlangene. Kukhona unkosikazi oqala lo tholile ipension, kukhona lo munye umama womntana othe naye walotsholwa azanga divorce. So konke lokhu kudinga ukuthi kuye phambi kwabantu basenkantolo kuze basho ukuthi ubani kahle kahle ozothola ipension futhi ubani ozoba unkosikazi wakhe ubaba uDidi Mabuza.
Mhlambe nje sesivala Zola ungabahlomisa kanjani Takhamuti laba kulesimo lesifana nalomndeni wakaMabuza?
Kubalekile sisi ukuthi abobaba bethu benze amawili kuze singahlupheki mase sebehambile emhlabeni. Futhi kubalekile abantu bazi ukuthi mhla ukhokha ilobola usushadile incommittal property. Kubalekile wazi ukuthi mhla ukhokhile ilobola kumele udivorce awuphela umshado welobola ungadivorceanga.
Sibonge kakhulu ke mbukeli loyo bekunguZola Mbatha losadi setemthetho nemishado. Asichubeke netindzaba. I-Democratic Progressive Party yaseMalawi inelithemba lokuthi Peter Mutharika utalibuyisele endleleni lelive. Mutharika uhlule emengameli Lazarus Chakwera elikhethweni nga-56 wema% kanti Chakwera uthole 53 wema% kuphela.
I declare candidate Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika as the president-elect.
Commissioner lelikhetho eMalawi lithile imiphumela lelikhetho ishoti imfuno tebantfu bakulelave. Lokuda ngemva kokuthi lona bekangumengameli Peter Mutharika akucise imbangi yakhe Lazarus Chakwera. Ushalo lihlombe Chakwera ngekuvuma kwehlulwa.
We all are Malawians and we are much stronger than all that separates us.
Bekunenjabulo etitaladini taselilonge balandzeli benhlangano yaMtharika i-Democratic Progressive Party bajabulele kuncoba.
It's a protest vote number one on the management of the economy. Look, for the past couple of months, inflation has been rising rapidly. So currently, as we speak, it's slightly over 28%. And the food inflation is now somewhere around 33%.
Ishalo lihlombe eMalawi ngokubamba likhetho lelinokuthula. Njalo kunenhlangano yebunye bemava se-Afrika i-African Union incomele lave ngokuhlela likhetho lelinokuthula nekuhleleka.
Sikubuteleke ukuthi bangagwema njani bantu kuhukeka kulesihlava sekugembula njengoba esibalulwe njengalesi sezingeni lelisetulu kuleli. Uphendvule ngalendlela.
Akukho lula ukuyeka ukugembula ngoba imisebenzi ayikho and abanye abantu sebeyiqhele kakhulu lento kodwa ke ayilunganga yona.
Hayi msasaza alikho linye icebo uba uhulumende azame ukukwenzela abantu imali. Abanika abantu imali msasazi. Yona lena into irongo iphinde ibe right. Iyayizisa imali iphinde iyihambise. Kodwa uhulumende makazama iplan umsasazi.
Abantu abazama ukuthola usizo lokwelulekwa kukhona baye besinike namapheshanyana lapha emgwaqeni ukuthi mangabe usudinga usizo ungafonela le number bazama ukuthola lezo inamba abantu basizwe.
Ngagwema ngokuthi beyeke ukuya eindaweni zokugembula nalabo abanama app emafonini bengazama ukuthi bewa delete.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC etethweswa kutiphendvulela ngawo. Tishela wetifundvo te-life sciences esikoleni semabanga laphakeme iMakhumbuza eMlazi KwaZulu Natal unconywe ngendlela lafundzisa ngayo. Lo tishela usebenzisa umculo lofana nemapiano kufundzisa abafunzi bakhe te-science.
Imfundziso yathishela Samukelo Mhlophe lofundzisa esikoleni semabanga laphakeme iMakhumbuza eMlazi isabalale etinkundleni tekuchumana kulandzela indlela lafundzisa ngayo. Lo thishela usebenzisa umculo kufundzisa tifundvo letimatima letifana ne-life science. Kanti ke emavideo akhe lapho afundzisa khona asabalale enkundleni letifana ne-TikTok.
If DJ Maphorisa would release a song today and it will trend a piano song, learners will know that song before the end of this day. But imagine if I were to take a flow of that song and I put life sciences in it and I make them sing it. Trust me, a lot of them are passing and they have been passing and they are still going to pass.
Mhlophe ukholelwa ukuthi kungumsebenzi wathishela ukuthi ende lwati lutfolakale lula kubafunzi.
Teachers are called the pedagogical practitioners, which means each and every day we need to devise strategies to help learners understand, because a strategy that worked in 1994 will not work in 2010, will not work in 2025.
Lokufundzisa kwakhe lokwehlukile kwende ukuthi bafunzi bakujabulele kufundza kuphindze kwakhuphulela imiphumela ku-85% etifundweni latifundzisako.
Usually chooses the songs from TikTok that have challenges, so even if the songs play, I will remember what he was saying.
Mhlophe ukholelwa ekutheni bothishela kufude batfole indlela letisha tekuchumana nebafunzi ngekusebenzisa lisiko lwalomuhla.
Nazivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalichathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Umdlali wema-Springboks Velko Low uthi ukuthokotele kwenda scrum njengoba bathola netulu nele-Argentina ngemgcibelo eThekwini. La kuleli litholana nele-Argentina emdlalweni wa-round 5 we-rugby championship. Low uthi le-Argentina lisahlonipha scrum kanti ukholelwa nekuthi noMpempe utawuthatha sitinqumo letifanele.
Bonompempe emdlalweni rugby bende emaphutha lamanyindi nakufuthi bathathe inqumo ku-scrum kanti leyo slow kunemthelele badlalini njengoba kungibo lababokane bumatima be-scrum.
The RFC is a whole different picture than what we feel inside there, and obviously he can only judge from what he sees from the outside, and hopefully the dominant side gets the reward, and I think that's the mentality of all the teams that we've played, and obviously Argentina will have the same mentality, that dominance gets rewarded.
Leo ukholelwa ukuthi ngemgcibelo le-Argentina litawuqhubeka nekufuna scrum njengoba libonakalisa nasemidlalweni leyengcile.
If you take the rugby championship now and their previous games, they started to win a few penalties against New Zealand and Argentina, New Zealand and Australia. So obviously they'll be up for it. I think they've focused on their scrum and they've improved their scrum quite a bit.
Lakuleli tishaya sifuba ngendlela lelidlala ngayo kanti lifuna kuqhubeka lidlale ngalendlela emqhudelwaneni ye-rugby.
Ayike tingako ke talamuhla letelama leti tingensimbi yesikhombisa ngesixhosa. Sine nawe asihlangane kusasa endzaweni lefanako ngesikhathi lesifanako. Simo selitulu siyeta ngemva kwetitolo. Intsambama lenhlengwane.
Asikubingelele sikwamukele kunasi isimo selitulu kusehla namuhla sibuka kakhulu ke kulindelwa kanti ke masibuka sithombe sethu akhombisa amahle kakhulu ke mathuba emvula mabuka cishe ke empumula elive kwalo muhle kakhulu kati sifunza KwaZulu Natal impumalanga uyofika ke sifunzeni eGauteng udlulele eNorth West njengoba lapha kuye ke la 60% likhombisa kubalele ntshonalanga Kapa ngalo muhle kanti ke la ngelakusasa akhombisa ke kunyukela ke enyakatho ikakhulu kati mathuba emvula njengoba mabuka ingcenye sifunza ke la eNorthern Cape alapha ku 60% udlulele ke la ikakhulu kati sifunzeni eGauteng alapha kuye ke la 30% kanti ke sixwayiso lesivela kwa South African Weather Service ngalo muhle likhombisa ke kuduma lokunebungodi mabuka ke ingcenye esifunza ke la eNorth West ngalo muhle kanti ke masichubeka sikubukela ke la emazinga ekushisa usingabe ke menjani kakhulu kade elangeni lakusasa masibuka ke la sifunza iGauteng indzawo lefana ke la nabo Pretoria likhombisa ke kuphola ngaye ke la 24 23 Johannesburg 25 eVereeniging 24 mabuka indzawo lefana ke la nabo Springs kanti ke sifunza iLimpopo indzawo lefana ke la nabo Liphalale lifuthumele ngaye 27 29 eTsanini mabuka indzawo lefana nabo Bakersford lapha ku 24 28 eThabazimbi njengoba lifuthumele kuleto indzawo leto kanti ke sifunza impumalanga the place of the rising sun sikhombisa ke kuphola nasisifunza mabuka indzawo lefana nabo Mbombela amashishini ngaye ke la 23 21 eCaroline kanti ke kuyashisa isikhuza njengoba lapha kuye ke la 31 wehlele ngale ke kuboko Martiport ngwalo muhle kanti ke sifunza iKwaZulu Natal indzawo lefana ke la nabo Vryheid lapha ku 25 likhombisa ke kuphola naseUlundi kanti ke Richards Bay lifuthumele mabuka abo Port Shepstone bo Durban lapha kuye ke la 23 lokusho ukuthi lipholile ngwalo muhle kuleto indzawo leto kanti ke Eastern Cape indzawo lefana ke la nabo Ncuba lapha kuye ke la 26 lokusho ukuthi likhombisa kufuthumala imali itswayi lipholile ngaye ke la 23 mabuye eEast London lapha kuye ke la 21 Western Cape ngalo mhlenzawo lefana nabo Glen Williams kuyashisa ngaye ke la 35 nobe ke 34 eFredendal 35 mabuka ndzawo lefana nabo Cape Town lapha ku 21 Mossel Bay bo George nakhona likhombisa ke la kuphola ngaye ke la 21 kanti ke Northern Cape kuyabanza Saturday ngaye ke la 2 ekseni kepha ke nsambama kuyobe kupholile kuyashisa ke Uppington ngaye ke la 32 eSpringbok lihleli lapha kuye ke la 30 kanti ke sifunza iFree State indzawo lefana nabo Bothaville lapha ku 29 eBloemfontein lapha kuye ke la 27 elifuthumele kanti ke lipholile Frankfurt eBethlehem lapha ku 23 kanjalo nakubo Fixburg kanti ke sifunza iNorth West ngolalo muhle mobuka ke la ndzawo lefana kakhulu kade nabo Bothoska lapha ku 31 lokusho ukuthi kuyashisa kuleto ndzawo leto kanti ke boFreiburg lapha ku 28 kanjalo nakubo Taung ngolalo muhle kungako bengikuphathele wona busuku abube lobuhle